You excited to go on a walk? You excited, Olive? Okay, Olive and I are going to attempt to go on a walk. My blood sugar is 145, so we shall see what it does. Where are you sniffing, Olive? No, Olive, drop. Good girl. Okay, we just made it home from the walk. We walked 1.5 miles. Ending blood sugar is 77 with a down arrow, so I'm gonna make some lunch and hopefully that should catch my blood sugar before it keeps dropping. Wipe her little paws off. They're so dirty and she just gets dirt all over the apartment, huh? Oh my word, it's just never ending. Okay, we're heading to the gym now. My blood sugar is 112. I did just eat some pretzels and some chicken. So I'm gonna have an Alani and we'll see how it goes. Okay, we are just now leaving the gym. My ending blood sugar was 82, so it did stop dropping, which is awesome, and I was able to finish my workout. I did do leg extensions at the end. I just forgot to record. We're on our way now to go grab dinner and spend some time with family, and then if I'm feeling up to it, I'm going to go on a run after. So we shall see.